Travel.
Travel.
I travel to New York in summer.
I travel to New York in summer.
Visit.
Visit.
We visit our grandparents every week.
We visit our grandparents every week.
Win.
Win.
They win the game easily.
They win the game easily.
Lose.
Lose.
I lose my pen sometimes.
I lose my pen sometimes.
Wish.
Wish.
I wish you a happy birthday.
I wish you a happy birthday.
Hope.
Hope.
She hopes to pass the test.
She hopes to pass the test.
Fix.
Fix.
He fixes his bike himself.
He fixes his bike himself.
Share.
Share.
I share my toys with my brother.
I share my toys with my brother.
Save.
Save.
I save money for a new bike.
I save money for a new bike.
Spend.
Spend.
They spend time together on weekends.
They spend time together on weekends. Travel. Visit. Win. Lose. Wish. Hope. Fix. Share. Save. Spend.